I am Dr. Pramod Jog. I am the President of the Indian Academy of Pediatrics, the President-elect for the year 2015, and I have come to Hyderabad for this conference of the pediatricians of the Indian Academy of Pediatrics of Hyderabad and also from the entire Andhra. Basically, this conference is aimed at development of children and also to let people know about various disorders of children. There are various diseases which affect children, but those which kill children are mainly pneumonia and diarrhea. Pneumonia is a condition where a child gets cold and cough for a day or two, followed by high fever, and the child is getting breathless with increase in the respiratory rate. And diarrhea is a condition where child starts getting vomiting with loose motions and then goes into what is called as dehydration, where there is loss of fluids and electrolytes from the body. And both these disorders are eminently preventable if we take the proper precautions, particularly prevention of malnutrition, provision of mother's milk for the first 6 months after birth, and maintaining the hygiene, early diagnosis and the prompt treatment. With all this, if we take care of children, then these deaths could be prevented. There is another area where children die, and these are the neonates. These are children under the age of 1 month, that is the first 30 days. And in the first 30 days, children die either because of infection, or they die because of prematurity, or because of birth asphyxia, that is not being able to breathe properly at the time of birth. So we have to take all these in consideration when we want to prevent child deaths because of these areas. And day by day there are increases in the incidences of diabetes and hypertension and related to obesity also, not the infectious ones but the non-infectious ones. And in the adolescent age group, that is the age group between 9 and 19, children are facing a lot of stress because of their studies and also because of inability to go and decide for their career. So all these things will be discussed in this particular conference. This is a 3-day conference with workshops and 2 days for the conference proper, today and tomorrow. That is 15th and 16th of November, and I hope this will go a long way in the continuing medical education of the pediatricians from all over Andhra.